Now, the My Porsche app is also very clever. It can actually warn you if your car is going outside of certain locations, going at certain speeds, etc. And you can also turn this feature off if it is going into service. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you on the app how to activate these alarms and how to put your car into service mode. So how we're going to do that is we're going to click into this beautiful blue Taycan, for example. We're going to go along to functions and to alarms. Now, the first one we're going to do is to do with speed. So let's add an alarm for speed. So let's say you want to make sure that the car is absolutely not speeding at all. We want to make sure we're staying very road legal, don't we? And let's put in a speed of 72 miles per hour. So if I now save this, then if that vehicle goes above 72 or hits that 72 marker, you're going to get a notification, a warning for you, just so you know that the car's not been speeding. The other option you have is location. So if you know that your car travels for a certain location every day and you want to know if it's gone outside of that location there, we're going to click on to add location. At the moment, it's got a mile radius, but I can actually zoom out just a little bit there as well and say, right, I want to make sure that if my vehicle travels outside an 11-mile radius of my house, for example, or this location I'm at right now, I want to know about it. So I'm going to click save onto there. And as you can see, that's saving it. It's sending it to the vehicle as well. So then we both know that our car's not speeding and it's not going outside of 11-mile radius of this location here. You could also, if you're having your car balloted, for example, you could set a certain alarm. So you know that it's not going outside of the pre-agreed range, if you like, and not exceeding a speed that you're not happy with. All of these are all saved in your history on this fourth one along here. Now, let's say your car's going in for a service. It's booked in with the lovely girls in our service department here at Porsche Centre South Lakes. All we're going to do is we're going to go down into vehicle tracking system, and we're going to let the Porsche, My Porsche app know, and also your security company know that the car's going into workshop. So all we're going to do is we're going to click on workshop mode here. We're going to enter our security code so it knows it's definitely me. We're going to let it know how long it's in for. So let's say I know that it's going to be in for about 2 hours. If I select 1:50 p.m. and click OK, that's now activating. So it's going to be okay for your vehicle to start, for example, or move throughout that time, but that's going to deactivate at 1:50, ready for when you're going to be driving it home. The other useful option on this page is going to be transport mode. So let's say you have a flat tyre and you need your car to be transported to your local Porsche centre. If you click onto transport mode, and again, type in your security code. There we go, and let it know how long it's going to be transported for. There we are. That's going to tell both the app and your car that it's completely safe. It's on a trusted lorry, ready to go to your local garage, so you're not going to get the warnings or the alarms that you usually would. Now, if you're ever not sure which option to choose, if you click the little information button just here at the top, that's going to let you know when each mode should be activated, so it takes all the confusion out of it for you. So that's how to use the alarms on your My Porsche app and also put your car into service or transport mode. Please stay tuned for more tech tips.